Tricep Pushdown, Mastering Gym Vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular gym exercise, the Tricep Pushdown. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just curious about gym lingo, this video will clarify what Tricep Pushdown means and how it's done. Let's get started. Tricep Pushdown refers to a strength training exercise targeting the triceps muscles at the back of your upper arms. It's performed using a cable machine, where you push a weighted cable down away from your body. This exercise is popular for its effectiveness in building arm strength and muscle tone. 1. Stand in front of the cable machine, feet shoulder width apart. 2. Grip the horizontal cable bar or rope attachment with an overhand grip. 3. Keep your elbows close to your body and bend your arms at a 90-degree angle. 4. Push down until your arms are fully extended, focusing on moving only your forearms. 5. Slowly return to the starting position. Remember, the key is in the controlled movement, focusing on the triceps. Locking your elbows, this can strain your joints. Keep a slight bend even at full extension. Using too much weight, this often leads to poor form. Start light and increase gradually. Moving your elbows, they should stay fixed to isolate the triceps effectively. Strengthens the triceps, essential for push movements like bench presses. Improves arm definition, helps in toning and shaping your upper arms. Versatile, can be performed with different attachments and grips for variety. The Tricep Pushdown is a fantastic exercise for those looking to strengthen and tone their arms. Always focus on form over weight, and consult a fitness professional if you're unsure. We hope this video helps you on your fitness journey or simply expands your English gym vocabulary. Stay strong and healthy.